Castor oil is a versatile essential vegetable oil that everyone should own. It is a thick, odorless oil, extracted mechanically or manually from castor beans, native to tropical East Africa around Ethiopia. This essential oil dates back to ancient Egypt, when it was used to cure constipation, heartburn, or to induce labor. In recent times, castor oil has been proven to have a broader range of benefits, from dermatological purposes to hair care that most people are unaware of. That's why in this video, we have narrowed down the uses of castor oil to the 10 most important ones that can benefit your life and health. Make sure to watch to the end to see our number 1 pick, as it's going to surprise you. Starting off at number 10, Powerful Facial Cleanser. Castor oil can be used as a deep facial cleanser. Research has shown that castor oil is a triglyceride with some antibacterial and antimicrobial properties, meaning that when it is applied to the skin, it may prevent infections, reduce inflammation, and shed damaged skin cells without tampering with the normal bacteria on the top layer of the skin. It removes dead skin cells, acne, oil, dirt, makeup, and cosmetics, as well as other types of pollutants from the skin, which helps clear out skin pores and prevent skin conditions. It is a milder facial cleanser when compared to other cleansers and soaps that many of us use. At number 9, Relieve Constipation. Constipation is a condition in which there is difficulty in emptying the bowels, usually associated with hardened feces. Oral castor oil consumption releases ricinoleic acid by lipases in the intestinal lumen. The released ricinoleic acid induces a robust laxative effect that increases the movement of muscles that push material through the small intestines, thereby clearing the bowels. This is why researchers and health personnel often promote castor oil as a natural way to relieve constipation and promote digestion. However, for the sake of safety, it is always best to speak to your doctor before orally consuming castor oil. Coming up at number 8, Relief for Insomnia. If you experience difficulty sleeping, take this as an eye-opener. Insomnia is a sleep disorder that makes it difficult to fall asleep. Instead of taking harmful and sometimes habit-forming medication to help your insomnia, you can rub castor oil along your eyelids before going to bed. Your body absorbs the oil and promotes healthy circulation, helping you become more relaxed and inducing sleep much faster. Many people have had good results using this process. Number 7, Reduces Stretch Marks. Stretch marks are very common. Estimates suggest that up to 90% of people have it. Stretch marks are a type of scar that develops on the skin when the skin stretches and shrinks quickly, probably due to weight gain, pregnancy, or muscle strain. It causes the collagen and elastin fibers, which support the skin, to rupture, and the healing process leaves these narrow bands behind. Research has shown that massaging castor oil into stretch marks causes the scar tissue to flatten and become softer. A consistent castor oil massage into stretch marks provides deep moisturization and helps them disappear over time. This technique works better if the marks are less than 2 years old. Coming up at number 6, Remedy for Arthritis. Arthritis is an inflammation of one or more joints, causing pain and stiffness that can worsen with age. Wear and tear, infections, and underlying diseases usually cause it. The castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties can help relieve the pain and alleviate these inflammatory symptoms. Simply massage castor oil directly to the inflamed joint or muscle to achieve this. It can also be taken orally. Add it to liquid foods like tea, soups, or warm water with a pinch of ginger for maximum results. Moving on to number 5, Potent Acne Treatment. Acne is caused when tiny holes in the skin, known as hair follicles, become blocked. It can also occur due to excess oil production, bacteria, or just inflammation on the skin. As highlighted earlier, castor oil has antimicrobial properties in the form of ricinoleic acid that can help you fight certain types of bacteria on your skin and maintain a healthy pH balance that prevents acne. The ricinoleic acid in castor also has antiviral, antiseptic, and antifungal properties. So, castor oil can reduce the size of inflamed pimples and kill bacteria causing redness. It can be applied daily or a few times per week, either to treat acne that is already present or to prevent new acne from popping up. At number 4, boost immune system. Besides dermatological uses, castor oil has been proven to boost the immune system. It increases the count of T11 cells and the production of lymphocytes, a type of white blood cell that produces antibodies whenever an infection is present in the blood, thus enhancing the health of the thymus gland within hours of application. This strengthens the immune response, which helps eliminate invading viruses, toxins, and bacteria. Coming up at number 3, as a treatment for ringworm. Ringworm is a highly contagious fungal infection of the skin or scalp. It is caused by common mold-like parasites that live on the cells in the outer layer of your skin. It appears as rashes, circular, and often itchy. Castor oil has antifungal properties that can greatly help fight off the fungi that cause ringworm infection. All you have to do is directly apply a few drops of the oil to the affected area and massage for a few minutes. Repeat this process 3 times a day until it is completely gone. And number 2, it reduces wrinkles. Castor oil contains some fatty acid profiles, including ricinoleic, oleic, stearic, palmitic, and linoleic acid. These acids are monosaturated and have moisturizing, smoothing, and antioxidant properties that help to reduce wrinkles over time. It traps moisture and acts as a sealant, making the skin tighter and firmer. Also, castor oil contains proteins that stimulate collagen production by skin cells, so it is ideal for anti-wrinkle treatment. It has emollient properties to help improve your skin's texture and healthy appearance. You can rub it safely around the eyes to minimize and reduce wrinkles around the eyes. Before I tell you number 1, here are some honorable mentions you might find interesting. Castor oil can also be used to promote wound healing. Venolex is a combination medicine and a popular ointment used to treat wounds, bed sores, diabetic skin ulcers, and other skin conditions resulting from decreased blood flow or skin grafts. Contains castor oil and Peru balsam. It helps reduce odor and creates a protective layer over skin wounds. It can also induce labor. Taking castor oil has been found to help induce labor and ripen the cervix, promoting a seamless delivery and saving women the risk associated with other interventions like cesarean section. But it also often has unpleasant side effects, particularly the possibility of dehydration, stomach cramps, and diarrhea. It can also heal dry, cracked heels, soften cuticles, and eliminate brittle nails. Castor oil helps nourish and soothe rough, cracked, or flaky heels, and it is best applied after a shower, hot bath, or foot soak when your pores are open. Finally, our number 1 pick is excellent treatment for hair growth. Hair growth is a surprisingly common concern across the globe, and castor oil is arguably known amongst most people as an agent to foster hair growth. Castor oil, more specifically Jamaican black castor oil, is a popular treatment for hair growth because it contains high levels of omega-6 and 9 and vitamin E. By nourishing hair follicles, increasing hair strength, improving hair thickness, preventing hair loss, increasing hair elasticity, and improving dry scalp and hair circulation. It works by lubricating and moisturizing the scalp and shaft, promoting hair growth and decreasing the chances of breakage. Application to the ends of the hair can help reduce frizz and repair split ends. Also, castor oil can be used as a dandruff treatment. This is achieved by simply applying castor oil on the scalp twice a week and leaving it for 20 minutes. This process can clear out the dandruff flakes while leaving your hair thicker, shinier, and stronger over time. The vitamin E, proteins, and antibacterial properties of castor oil help to lengthen the hair. Finally, millions of people around the globe are looking to take advantage of the health benefits of castor oil. With all the benefits in this video, I hope you're convinced to grab a bottle of castor oil the next time you go to a store. You never know how soon you may need it. Remember that we are not doctors. This video should not be taken as medical advice. Again, this video is for informational purposes only. We hope this video will help you make healthier decisions from now on. If you enjoyed watching this video as much as we did making it, then hit the like button and tell us if this video was helpful to you in the comments section. And also tell us if you have any benefits we missed out on. To enjoy more helpful videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and feel free to check out other videos from us, like the one showing on your screen right now. Bye!